Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin from Paxful to another wallet using your mobile device. Let's get started. First, open the Paxful app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. From the home page, tap on the wallet icon at the bottom of the screen. Under your wallet, you will see different cryptocurrencies. Tap Bitcoin to enter your Bitcoin wallet. Once you are inside the Bitcoin wallet, tap Send Bitcoin button. You will be asked to enter the receiving wallet address. You can either paste the address or scan the QR code of the wallet you want to send Bitcoin to. Now, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Double check the amount and the wallet address to make sure everything is correct. Review the transaction details. If everything looks good, tap Send Bitcoin to confirm the transaction. And that's it. Your Bitcoin has been sent. Make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials and leave a like if this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.